Hey friends, amandabobbett here, Healthy Hydration. I want to talk a little bit today about our affiliate program. You guys already don't know about it. So how is affiliate market different than MLM? So affiliate marketing is without the pyramid. MLM, multiple levels of compensation, that's the pyramid thing. That's the last stop, don't want to do it again, lost all my money kind of a program. Now this one is absolutely not like that. You don't have to buy anything in order to actually get into the program. No actual physical product or digital product. You don't have to buy something. You don't have to be on auto ship with the program. You're not going to have a downline that's enormous, but what you're going to have is you're going to have more commission up front. So we have it structured right now as you come in 20%. Most popular pack that we have is a $7,000 whole home system. You get 20%. So if you're looking at those numbers, that's a good day. One a week, all you got to have, and you're making yourself really fancy income. Then below that is just one person. So you want to help a business, you want to help your neighbor, you want to help a friend. Well, guess what? You're going to get 10% every time that person sells directly. So that's the structure. And so right now we have in place is you don't have to buy anything in order to get in, which I talked about. That's why it's different. However, we're going to have a membership program. It's going to start here in about a month because we have so much training on the back end. Because let's face it, if you've never been in business before and you wanted to make income in your life, you've never done it, you don't know how to do it. And so you're going to have to think really hard. You're going to have to go through a lot of experiences in your life to try to get it right, to try to fumble around, maybe talk to these people, and you're going to probably fail. And so what we've done is we took all the guesswork out. And I've been in business since I was 14 years old. I'm not going to say how old I am now, but I will tell you that I've learned a lot along the way. I've worked with a lot of great mentors. You've probably heard of Bob Proctor. He's been one of my mentors. Bill Banta, one of my mentors. Jeffrey Combs, you're out there, buddy. You shaped my life. You really, really did. And he was my first coach when I first started out in my profession way back then when it was network marketing I was in. And JT Fox, there's just been so many great leaders and people I've been around. And so I took all the knowledge that I learned from those people, all the gold nuggets, and put them into the training program. So you don't have to go through the hours upon hours that I did. You're just going to get the gold nuggets. And also, I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in my education to learn from these people. And so that is the value that's in the program for you. So you're going to learn from these people. You're also going to figure it out. You're going to know all about the products. You're going to know everything that they do, ins and outs, ups, everything in between. You're going to learn about that. We've got experts. We've got Taiwan Hubbard, who, if you don't know who he is, go check his YouTube channel out. It's just H2 Hub. And check him out, H2 Minutes, H2 Hubs, both his brands. But you're going to learn a lot. This gentleman used to be a football star, and he is so excited about what hydrogen is doing. Then we have Tyler LeBaron, who is the founder of the Molecular Hydrogen Institute. He's a PhD. He developed several courses for doctors going through college, basically getting their doctorates degrees, and he allows them to go through his program and get credits for going through his programs. So we've got his programs in the training for you. And these are things like you're going to be spending a lot of money if you're trying to, hey, I'm going to go buy all these programs, all these leaders. You're going to be spending a lot. And right now it's complimentary to you. So you can go in there, learn from these people. You're going to find the #1 world wealth coach, I believe, right now is Bill Banta. He worked alongside Bob Proctor. I hired him as the Healthy Hydration coach. So you're going to get access to his mentorship as well. We do Zoom meetings. You're going to have 6 times every single week to connect with myself or one of our wonderful colleagues. And you're going to learn. And you're going to also be there to, hey, I got some questions. What's going on with this? How do we do that? And someone's going to be there. We also do twice a week. We do Zooms in the evenings. And so if there's different area of the world you want to be there, it's perfect because it's probably going to be a little different depending on what time zone you're on. So we have 2 set, beginning of the day and the end of the day. So there's always a place to plug in. We've got a WhatsApp group, so we're all in there. You've got products that nobody else has put together, we put together. No one has whole house water systems, then taking that water and infusing it with molecular hydrogen that's going under the sink, on top of the sink, you can put it in the fridge. It's because it's not an MLM, you don't have to, you can go in any country at any time, so that's really great too. So it's worldwide. So if you're out there in Indonesia right now, you're looking for an opportunity, or you're in Bali and you're just like, golly, I want to make some extra money. and you want to help people, this is the opportunity for you. So we also got digital training programs. I put my training programs in there that I've created over the last, probably about 15 years now in there. Laptop Lifestyle, it's been featured on CNN, NBC, Fox News with Jack Canfield. So that's in the training for you. I used to sell it for almost $2,000. It's in there for you. You're going to find step by step, how do you go out there and prospect? How are you going to invite people to the opportunity? And how are you going to close the sale, follow up? How are you going to duplicate yourself? How do you build for different events we're going to be having all around the world? So all these skills are in there for you that took me years to master. And now that I did, I wanted to help you guys get you there faster. So it shouldn't take you as long as it took me to get where I'm at today. And I know where I'm going in the future. And look, if you want to do something that in the next 20, 10, 15, 5, 2 years, you're looking back at your life and you're like, wow, I can't believe that I almost said no. I'm so glad that I took action and I'm here today, because if I did not do that then, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I wouldn't be supporting my family. I wouldn't be traveling. I wouldn't be in a 5-star resort every time I decided to travel. I wouldn't be going first class. I wouldn't be, obviously you're first class now, but before maybe you couldn't even afford an airplane ticket to anywhere you want to go. But I want to be that company where everybody loves, feels good to be around. You feel like somebody truly cares about you. You have honesty and integrity. You're creating something together, because you're only as good as the people you surround yourself with. So we're looking for those people that want to just dive in and just put all their heart into this company and build it as big as it'll go and help as many people possible. I mean, this is hydrogen. You think about it, it's the simplest thing ever. It's the smallest ever molecule. And yet no one knows about it. It's kind of like vitamin C. If I say, you know what vitamin C is? Oh yeah, it's good for you. It's an antioxidant. Everybody knows about it. There's vitamin C pills. You put it in your water. You can put it in your skin. This is vitamin C. Now, way back then when vitamin C, no one knew about it. So if you think about that, you think about how everybody knows about something now, but they didn't know about it then, and everybody has it and they're using it. That's what this is right now. So if you want to do something that's going to change you and your family's life for the best, then look no further. You found us, healthyhydration.com. Go over there right now before we actually have the membership program charging for it, because we were going to have to do that at some point here. But right now, we're going to give it to you complimentary. So head over to that website there, healthyhydration.com, and go sign up. Figure out what it's about. We'll see you in the upcoming trainings. Peace.